Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our at-home Nagalase test kit. This test kit has made Nagalase testing so much easier because it's an at-home poke and stick test and you get results within 15 minutes. So when you order this kit, it comes in this box, and then inside the box you'll see here they do have directions here and then how to read the test results. But on top of that, they have a wonderful brochure here, which again, this is going to detail out exactly how to do this test. So it's really foolproof. You cannot really mess this up unless you don't go by the instructions. Also on here, they do discuss certain medications that you want to be aware of that can actually alter the test results. So again, it comes with a very informative brochure. And then in your kit, here is the actual Nagalase test. It comes with sterile wipes, the buffer, which you're going to put after you put your blood in the kit, in the test strip, and then these are the lancets. So I'm going to show you here how to do this. And it's always best to make sure that you're really hydrated. Some people do have to put their finger under warm water. I always suggest to leave it hanging on the side for a bit so that the blood flow. I've always been told it's best to do like your middle finger or even your ring finger for blood flow. This is what the test kit looks like. It actually looks like a pregnancy test kit. So you take your wipe and you're going to clean the finger that you're going to do the test on. So I am going to do my middle finger, and you simply, you're going to pull off this cap. As soon as I can pull it off, my fingers are incredibly there we go. I thought I was going to have to wipe them off. So you'll see this looks like that. So I'm going to take it and you're going to push down. I don't know if you heard that. And as you can see, whoops, sorry. I'm getting the blood and I'm going to be putting it right in this little well here. So I'm going to pause while I'm doing that and then I'll come back. So I am back, and as you can see, I have my blood in that little well. I'm going to take this buffer and I'm only adding 2 drops. There's 1 and there's 2. So what I'm going to do again, which actually you can already see, it's going to start showing the results. So again, I'm going to pause so that you're not sitting here for the whole time, and then I'll show you what the results are. So the time has, expired, and I wanted to show you this is a negative test result. If we look here on the box, I don't know how well you can see that, it will show you what the lines represent and what they mean. So to be honest with you, this developed really in less than 10 minutes. And so since my result is negative, that technically means that I'm not in need of Gcmaf. So I just wanted to show you how easy this test is, and for the price, it is a really inexpensive way to get a heartbeat on how your health is, because it can provide some type of gentle warning, if you will, that if your Nagalase levels are high, you are going to want to do further investigation, whether that's viruses or viruses and cancer. So again, great test, 99% accurate, and you can get them from Bioremedics, which I will have in the comment section, or it'll be in this post actually.